Welcome to Analyst Sultan, your go-to channel for mastering analytics and tracking. In today's video, we will cover everything about Facebook page view tracking, how it works, and why it essential for your ad campaign. Let's start. If you are wondering how Facebook knows which pages you visited on a website, what's Facebook page view tracking in actions, by the end of this video, you will understand its benefit, how it works, and how to set up for your site. What is Facebook page view tracking? Facebook page view tracking is a feature of Facebook Pixel that records when someone views a specific page on your website. When a user lands on your web page, the Pixel fires a page view event, sending this data to Facebook. These events allow to business to track website activity, gather insight, and optimize their Facebook ads to better performance. Let's break down how page view tracking works step by step. Pixel installations. First, you will install this Facebook Pixel on your website. Page load event. When a user visits a web page, the browser triggers the Pixel code embedded in the space. Data transmissions. The Pixel sends a signal known as the page view event to Facebook server. Track user behavior. This event included informations like the URL of the visitor page, timestamp, and user interaction. For example, if someone visits your product page, the Pixel records that page view, helping you retarget the user with the relevant ads later. Now that you know how it works, here why page view tracking is so valuable. Audience insight. Learn which pages are most popular and what interested your audience. Retarget. Create a personalized ads for user who visited specific pages. Conversions funnel optimization. Track user for landing pages to checkout and identify drop-offs. Ad campaign improvement. Use page view data to refine your ads, retarget, and messaging. By tracking page view, you gain powerful insight into your website visitor. You can use this data to retarget potential customer, optimize your sales funnel, and improve your ad performance. In short, page view tracking helps you to understand your audience and maximize your marketing efforts. For instance, if a user visited to your product page but did not purchase, you can show them a retargeting ads with a specific discount to bring them back. Let's talk about setting it up. So firstly, need to go Google Tag Manager. I already created Google Tag Manager web container. Then click on tags. Then again click on new. Then I need a tag template for Facebook page view event. So find out Facebook Pixel. Here is no Facebook Pixel. So click on discover more text type in the community template gallery. Now search here Facebook. This is the template. Then click on add to workspace. Then again click on add. Now I need a Facebook Pixel ID. So go back to your event manager. Then find out dataset ID. This is the dataset ID or Facebook Pixel ID. Copy this ID. Then again go back to Google Tag Manager web container. Then paste here. I need this Facebook Pixel ID many times. So create a constant variable for this Facebook Pixel ID. So find out constant. Then paste this Pixel ID. Then give a name Pixel ID. Then click on save. Our Facebook Pixel ID constant variable create done. Then I need to select event name. I want to tag Facebook page view event, so I need to select here Facebook page view. Every setting is okay. Then I need to triggers all pages. Then click on save. Then give a name for Facebook Pixel page view. Then click save. Our setting is perfectly okay or not okay. I need to check it. Then click on preview sections. Then paste your website URL, then click on connect. If you see that Facebook Meta Pixel helper showing Facebook page view event and our Facebook Pixel event setup done. Now I need to check it on our Facebook event manager. If you see that test event appear in real time, but it may take up to 30 minutes after you set up your event to see it in your analytics. Remember that you need to connect your Google Tag Manager on your website firstly, then enable your website data layer. Then after this process complete, then you need to set up Facebook page view event. And that's you have everything you needed to know about Facebook page view tracking and how it works. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe to Analyst Sultan and hit the bell icon for more analytic tips Have questions, drop them in the comment or connect with me through the links in the description. See you in the next video.